Guys, welcome back to CNE. So this is a new course that I'm going to launch and I'm very happy about it. This is the ultimate Git and GitHub course, and this course will be entirely instructed by me. So yeah, welcome back. The thing is that this course will be launched within a few days if you are watching this video now, and you will have the complete series of videos by the 5th or the 6th day if I'm not wrong. Okay, so this video is about an overview about what you are going to learn and what are the key aspects that we are going to put our focus upon. And yeah, let's begin. So the most important question that everyone has is what will you learn after this course. So by the completion of this course, you will have a better understanding about the source code management system. You will come to know about various version control tools that we have, but most specifically we are going to focus upon Git and GitHub. Okay, so you will come to know about the various commands we have in Git and how GitHub is interconnected with Git, and how GUI and CLI are the two different roads that a developer can take in managing his source code. Okay, so you will also get an understanding about how things work behind the scene. Suppose in a team, while they are delivering a product, how the coordination works, how they have to maintain their composure and be on the same page. And you will, as I said, you will master Git and GitHub by the end of this course. So yes, the question that we all have is, what is source code management system? We haven't heard about it, and what is it? Okay, why do you need this? So suppose we take a scenario that we have 3 developers in place. Okay, and they are all together working on a single project that they have to deliver within a limited time bracket. Okay, so they have to be extremely efficient, they have to be extremely calm, and they have to have some sort of composure or coordination, you can say, in order to deliver that project within a time. So this is where source code management system comes into effect. Okay, suppose a developer, it can't be like that the 3 of them are working in 3 different areas and they are working by not following any rules, or they made the changes and no one is aware of them. Okay, so there has to be some sort of collaboration between them, and this is why source code management system has been designed. Okay, so to keep a track upon what are the changes that are being made, what are the commits and who made the commits, and they keep in track upon the various version releases that they have made, and if God forbids, if any problem occurs to the current version, so that they can easily roll back to the previous version. So this is why we need source code management system, and there are various version control tools supporting them. We have Git, we have Superversion, we have Mercurial, and we have GitHub. So you will come to know about all of them, and I'll give an overview about the different version control tools, but our main focus is, as you know, the Git and GitHub. So it's a very important skill, guys. You have to make the best out of this course, because it is a skill that you can't ignore, and the recruiters ask for it. You know, they ask questions on Git and GitHub, they ask on source code management system. So what about Git? It is a free open source distributed version control system, blah blah blah, but the main highlighted word here is distributed version control system. So you will come to know about it in the upcoming lectures. What is a distributed version control system and what is a centralized version control system? It's a very important topic. Just don't go by the definition. I don't believe in theoretical aspect of all these things. I believe in practical approach. You need to have your hands on these technologies, otherwise you will not know the basic differences or the core differences between this suppose, let's say, distributed and centralized version control system. So as you all know, Git has been written by Linus Torvalds, who is the creator of Linux, who is a legend, and it is a very popular. As you can see, 90% of the developers they prefer Git over other version control tools. Okay, so yeah, this is it. It is very popular. You need to have that knowledge. And what is GitHub? Yeah, it's not technically a version control management system. I would rather put it like this, that GitHub is a cloud based hosting service that helps you to manage your pre-existing Git repositories. So you might get confused by all these terms, but I'll make sure that by the end of this course you will understand every inch of it. You don't have to worry about, just hang on there for a for this video. In the next videos you will have a better understanding about what is GitHub and how it works. Okay, so by the time you can just create an account on GitHub, it will help us in coordinating with this course. And yes, so as you can see, GitHub is very popular. Over 65 million developers use this platform to share their source code with the world. Okay, so it's very important for any open source project. So yeah, this is it. This is for this is all I have for the introduction, and in the upcoming lectures you will come to know about it. So let's hope for the best, and let's hope that we'll do this. Okay, so one thing you can do is, as I said, you can register for the GitHub account. You can sign up for GitHub, which is very important. Let me do one thing. Let me show you how you can do that. Okay, I'm sharing my browser screen here. Okay, I don't think it's visible. Now it's visible, I think. Yeah, so you open your browser, you type here GitHub. Sorry, as you can see, I have mistyped. So here is the first link, and you just right click on it. And I haven't signed in, so you can sign up for a new account. Just click on here, and then you have to give your email, and then you have to provide a password, and then your account will be made. And then you can just create the account. You don't have to do anything. Okay, so I don't think that will be an issue. You will simply create an account, and that will help us to take a lead from here. Okay, so yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, just subscribe. It will help me a lot. And yeah, the response has been amazing in the previous course that has been made by Mr. Datta. So a big shout out to him. And we'll be starting with this course very soon. Okay, so till then, take care, goodbye, and I'll see you in my next video.